Hey everybody, it's Kate and Tasha, but she's blocking the door because my brother is trying to get in, which is so annoying. So today we're going to be doing a squishy battle, and if you don't know what a squishy battle is, it's basically which is the squishiest squishy you have. So like this one versus this one. So yeah, so we've got this jumbo strawberry, and it's a teeny bit affected, but we're fine with that. We are fine with the effects. And next we have the panda bun, which is the red one, and we've got jumbo panda, and then we have this homemade cookie. Which is scented but not small. And next we have this emoji, one of my favorites. And we also have this homemade shrimp sushi. So this is the rice and this is the shrimp. Okay, so let's get started. Hey, Tasha's back there. So first we're going to start off with the smaller ones, because the smaller ones aren't very. Okay, so the sushi versus the obviously this one, but I do like this one for creativity because yeah, it's cool for LPS and my code. So you're doing okay, so next we're doing emoji versus the obviously this one, because this one isn't really nice. Oh, by the way, thank you, Banana Tick, for all these squishies. And the squishies were from the previous video that we uploaded yesterday. So go check it out. We'll put it in the description. Maybe. Okay, so next, the emoji versus the panda bun. Okay, the panda bun actually won. So now, strawberry versus panda. Next is strawberry versus panda bun. So this is the final round. Oh, I think the strawberry one. It had to be done. It had to. Bye! Ow. Okay, so now it's these two.
What are we doing now?
Okay, neither of them won.
Neither of them won.
Okay, so now we're done with the squishy battle. We're going to do our favorite squishies that Banana Tick has sent us yesterday. So, my favorite is the strawberry because it's really soft. It's so smooth. And, yeah.
My favorite is also the strawberry because it smells so good. And
yeah, and
even though it has, as you can see, it has quite a lot of defects at the top.
we're fine.
We're fine with that because it's still squishy and it still looks super cute. And, you know, Banana Tick will probably send us another one sometime. So, here we go. Have a look at that.
And I also like it because it's like slow rising and it's fun to squish. And yeah. And my least favorite is probably the cookie because it doesn't smell very nice and it's not very squishy, but I like the creativity.
I don't like this one that much either because I feel like she put too many little chocolate chips, and also that it smells pretty bad. It smells like glue, and it's not that squishy, but still, I really like this one. It was a hard decision.
So we're not so sure for the next video, but we're probably going to do like a putty compilation or something, or like putty, like we've got our putty right here.
We'll see. See ya.
We'll see.
See ya.
Bye guys.